Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find all your favorite or bookmarked communities on Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had bookmarked communities and you can't see the list, it's pretty simple. Log into your Reddit account and then go to the sidebar and look for communities. Here you can see we have communities option. Just click on manage communities. Under this, you will see a list of all the communities that you joined, and on top you should be able to see all the bookmarked communities. They have this favorite mark here. To filter only the bookmarked communities or favorite communities, just click on favorite here, and this will list all the favorite communities or bookmarked communities that you have on Reddit. So that's how you can find your bookmarked communities on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.